We got a car coming. I don't want to do that in front of him.
He turned.
Oh, did he? All right. Here we go. Are you ready for this?
Yep, I'm ready. Okay, Marky Mark. Welcome to Ellendale Farms subdivision. I'm Lisa Wozniakowski, and this is Tracy Melnarchik with Coldwell Banker, and we thought we'd show you a virtual tour of this fabulous, stunning neighborhood just south of the Lake County Fairgrounds, the square, right next to Lake Street Elementary. Ellendale Farms is one of the more sought-after neighborhoods, I think because of its proximity to the square, the schools, and the fairgrounds. Easy access to the main roads. We're coming up here is a beautiful gazebo and park area. Homes range as low as the 200s, and those are mostly for the townhomes and garden homes, and they go upwards over 1.5 million. There is one right now on the market at 1.45, and some recent solds at 1.2. But for the most part, you can comfortably settle in here in a newer home or brand new construction in the 350 to 500 price points. This is Mary Ellen Drive. This is the main thoroughfare as we go through the subdivision. Lots of ponds here too. They do have ponds. Ellendale subdivision also has a Facebook page, so if you are considering moving here, get in the Facebook group, ask to join, find out what things go on. They talk about garbage day. Obviously, we got some recycles going on here today. Oh, they also do, once a year, the residents of Ellendale Farms and the HOA does a huge garage sale. I think it's a Thursday, Friday, Saturday gig where they promote, here comes a little bridge with some gorgeous pond view. But the garage sale is a very big spectacle. People come through from miles around, and also this is one of the most popular neighborhoods for trick-or-treating on Halloween. And with this great sidewalks, all the hills, really wear the kids out and get some premium candy and see all the awesome decorated houses. Now we're approaching Quinlan Court. This is where we see a lot of the upper priced homes down this area. So if you're looking in that higher price point, 600, 700 up, you will find those homes, a lot of them in this spot. Some gorgeous homes over here. There is an HOA. So dues are roughly around $400 a year. If you're in one of the townhomes or one of the garden homes where maybe they do more lawn care, maintenance to the property, that does range higher, about $2,000 a year. Tracy loves the pillars on this house.
And the statue.
And the statue. We're coming back around. You can see a pond in the background. Another gorgeous home. And Quinlan Court, that is a cul-de-sac lot. This is a new construction. And room for a neighbor. just a sneak peek. If you are thinking of relocating to Crown Point or want to make that move and you are interested in Ellendale subdivision, please contact me, Lisa, or Tracy at Coldwell Banker. We are the Wozniakowski family, and we are here to help guide and give you that experience, state of the art, able to help whenever you need. We'd love to show you what's available here in this subdivision or any other subdivisions in the Crown Point area or all of Northwest Indiana. Northwest Indiana has tons to offer and an easy commute to Chicago or Indy. Thanks for joining us. We hope you enjoyed our virtual tour of Ellendale Farms subdivision.